Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a peanut butter sandwich. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, a jar of creamy or crunchy peanut butter, and a delicious jelly or jam. Also, grab a clean knife and a plate. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can quickly create your tasty treat. Now let's get to the good stuff. Take your knife and scoop out a good dollop of peanut butter. Spread it smoothly and evenly across one entire slice of bread, right to the edges. You want a consistent layer, perhaps about 1/8 of an inch thick, to ensure every bite is packed with that rich, nutty flavor. Don't be shy with the peanut butter. Next up, the sweet complement. If you're using the same knife, give it a quick wipe or grab a clean one. Scoop out your favorite jelly or jam, strawberry, grape, or apricot, whatever you love. Spread this delightful sweetness evenly across the second slice of bread. Make sure it covers the surface well, creating a perfect balance for the peanut butter. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully place the jelly-covered bread slice directly on top of the peanut butter slice. Give it a gentle press to make sure everything is secure and won't fall apart. Now, you can enjoy your masterpiece as is, or cut it in half, or even into 4 fun triangles. Your delicious homemade peanut butter sandwich is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.